Good morning on Thursday, the 5th of October, new Bitcoin update. We start on the daily chart where I want to point out something. Well, first off, I marked that level, that path now as the next possible scenario. This is drawn. Yeah, I did it. End of August, we did get that extra leg down. We did complete that bounce towards 28,700. We had a rejection last week and now coming down. And to me, it feels, well, on a lower time frame, we at least do something like that, 26,000 maybe. And feels to me that we are far away from breaking above 28,700. If that happens, I will change to mark that zone or that path. For now, I do think we have more downside to come. Don't know yet if we are going all the way to 20,000, but that has been marked for me for a long time now. There's the CME gap, and it would fit in this corrective move. And if you look at the bigger picture, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C is a very normal pullback in trading, and yeah, why not in crypto? So, what to do from here? One more thing I want to point out is this, and remember this: we have this 5 legs to the downside. It is so the trend is down. We do have a corrective bounce in 3 legs. I explained earlier in the week we need a 5th leg to get a bullish confirmation. We don't have it yet, but remember this: 3 legs to the upside and 5 down. Now when I go to the 1 hour time frame, this is the rejection at 28,700, 600, the red box. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. And look again, 1, 2, 3 as a corrective bounce. And took out the level I marked out yesterday, but only in 3 legs. So the same problem we have on the higher time frame, that we needed here a 5th leg, is now happening here on the lower time frame. So we need here a 5th leg to the upside, but to me it feels we won't get that. And that makes me think that we are going to do this on the 4 hour. We do have one leg to the downside. And let me show you the correction. The correction, so we do have here a break or a change of character coming down. This is your range. And then you want to see a pullback into the discount zone, 0.5 FIB level or 50% discount. That correction happened with the move over the past few days. That's another confirmation that we could expect downside. And that brings me to this path: 1, 2, 3, at least equal legs to 26,464, but possibly a bit lower in that box, some bounce, and then I think we at least go for, in maybe the 5th leg, to take out 26,000, that swing low, before any bounce. At the moment, I think this could be very well the start of, then we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Back to the lower time frame. What I'm waiting for now is this. Look, we do have here 5 down and a bit of a bounce, yeah, and in 3. Now I go to the 50 minutes. And it's not that clean, but I do think we get something like that, the same here. A bit of a bounce towards this level, 27,800 more or less, and then that moved down. Check out spot versus perps traders, that recent bounce past days, you can see that spot was starting to buy also, but now is much weaker, and that this latest bounce was mostly perps pushing the price higher. In the order book, you can see why I mentioned 27,700, or no, 27,800 was what I mentioned. So if we do get that bounce, maybe from here, I think this is the maximum bounce. It's already quite a lot. This is my first level of interest, 27,700 for that move down. If we go higher, 27,800. Invalidation for this plan, this bearish scenario, is if we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then a correction and more up. And this is where I would like to long. But for now, looking if we do get a weak bounce in the coming 24, 48 hours, and then I'll be looking for 26,500 at least.